Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Muhammad Shazidi bin Kairuzi and my ID is TB22007, and today I'll be presenting about the DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor as part of my assignment for sensor technology project under Dr. Muhammad Razali bin Daud. This presentation will cover the sensor's functionality, applications, accuracy, sensitivity, measurement range, and also I will demonstrate how the measurements are taken and analyzed. So first of all is what is DHT22? The DHT22, also known as AM2302, is a digital temperature and humidity sensor that combines both sensing elements in a single package. Unlike analog sensors, the DHT22 provides calibrated digital output, making it highly reliable for precise environmental monitoring application. How DHT22 works. The DHT22 uses a capacitive humidity sensor and thermistor to measure surrounding air. The capacitive sensor detects humidity changes through dielectric constant variations, while the thermistor measures temperature through resistance changes. The built-in microcontroller processes these analog signals and converts them to calibrated digital data transmitted via a single wire protocol. Detailed sensing principles. How the sensor working? Let me explain the detailed working principles of DHT22. First, the temperature sensing principle. The DHT22 uses a negative temperature coefficient NTC thermistor. As temperature increases, the resistance of thermistor decreases exponentially. The sensor measures the resistance change and converts it to the temperature using a calibrated lookup table stored in the internal microcontroller. Next is humidity sensing principle. The humidity sensor uses a capacitive sensing element made of hygroscopic dielectric material placed between two electrodes. When humidity changes, the dielectric material absorbs or releases moisture, changing its dielectric constant. This changes the capacitance between the electrodes, which is measured and converted to relative humidity percentage. The application. Common applications include weather monitoring stations, HVAC system control, greenhouse automation, indoor air quality monitoring, data logging systems, smart home environmental control, and last but not least is laboratory environmental monitoring. For the measurement setup, hardware connection, the VCC must be connected to 3.3 volt or 5 volt power supply, ground to ground connection, data digital input output pin on microcontroller, and pull-up resistor we can use 4.7 kilo ohms until 10 kilo ohms between the VCC and also data line. Software implementation use DHT library for Arduino or microcontroller, initialize sensor with correct pin and also the sensor type, and read the temperature and humidity value. Advantages and also limitations DHT22. Advantages is it has high accuracy and reliability, and it has digital output, so there's no need of ADC, and it has a low power consumption, pre-calibrated sensor, simple single wire interface, and also wide operating range. And also comes with limitation, which is it has slow response time, which is 2 milliseconds, EMI sensitivity, specific timing protocols required, limited sampling rate, which is zero point 0.5 Hz, temperature affects the humidity. So best practices and recommendations. Installation, uh, protect from direct sunlight and moisture. Wiring, keep connections short and use proper pull-up resistor. Calibration, allow 30 seconds stabilization time after power on. Error handling, implement checksum validation and retry mechanism. Environmental, consider temperature compensation for humidity readings, and also maintenance, regular cleaning to maintain accuracy. And last but not least, for the conclusion, The DHT22 sensor proves to be an excellent choice for environmental monitoring applications requiring moderate accuracy and also reliability. Its digital interface simplifies integration while providing consistent, calibrated measurements suitable for most indoor and also outdoor monitoring applications. The sensor's specifications make it a deal for projects where effectiveness and ease of use are important factors. Thank you. That's all for me.